Hi everyone. Yesterday I was talking to an elementary math teacher and I was explaining her how to create a lesson on a straight line equation. Basically, we have a straight line equation which is y equal to mx plus c, and by changing the value of slope, which is m, and also the intercept, the y-intercept, which is c, how dynamically the equation can get updated and also the plot can get updated. Now, value of m is, instead of 2.5, I can say negative 2.5. You can see how the plot is updated here, and also the straight line equation got updated, and also the value of y here is also updated. Similarly, if you update value of c from 5 to let's say 6, or if you change the value of x here, you can see how y got updated. So how can we create this interactive lesson? Let's take a Dyno here. Say straight line equation. Straight line equation is, now here you can insert an equation by clicking equation here. I'll say y equals to m times x plus c. Now I can say value of m is, go to inputs and select number, and instead of 100 I'm going to pick 2.5 here, and I can say, and value of c is, again I'm going to pick another number, which is number 2. I'm going to say 5 here. Now let's build an equation. Equation is, now select equation here and type in number 1 times x plus number 2, and we also want to say y equals to, hit return. So now you can see how dynamic the equation is, which means when I change this 2.5 to, let's say, 3.5, you can see how the equation is updated. Now let's go back here, and if value of x is, now do another number and just say 4 space value of y becomes, now here we're going to write a function. To write a function, you can actually click functions here, or you can simply type in equals. So equals key brings this up, and I'm going to type in number 1 times x value is number 3 plus c is number 2. So that's your y. Now let's insert a plot. So to insert a plot, I'm going to go to charts here and select chart and pick chart type as function, and for function I'm going to say number 1, which is m, times x plus number okay, sorry, it's number 1 here, and it says number 2 is for c. Now I'm going to wrap this around the brackets there, and x minimum is 0, and you can leave x max as blank. Now this is your chart. As you update the number 1 with something else like negative 2.5, for example, you can see how dynamically the chart is getting updated. So this is how you create an equation and also a plot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us out.